What's going on, everybody? Jarrett Rushing with Jarrett Rushing Fishing here, doing the intro. We are getting ready for the Anvil Jaw kickoff. Well, not kickoff, I guess. It's the 6 or 7 stop here at Lake Millwood. I have never fished this end of the lake before, so everything you're seeing is brand new. This is essentially one kind of a crazy practice day. So I hope that it works out. Hope we get some good footage. Hope we get some big fish. So, hey, let's get to chunking. Fishing a tournament, finally get a 5-pounder on it, can't do nothing with it. You got off, huh? Yeah. Finally got a bite. Wow. Oh, there's a 2.5 pounder. Yep, I know where we're gonna be a while. We're gonna be in here. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Custom painted. get on in here, big boy. Thank you. Oh gosh. There he is. Woohoo! That's a 12-incher, we gone. You're gonna be dang close. You're gonna be close. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You've ever been 12 inches. Boom! You know, actually, I'm not leaving yet. What I'm gonna do is I'm putting the spinnerbait down. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Lord, thank you so much for this day. Thank you for everything you've given me, Lord, even through the missed fish and all. Lord, this is just been amazing. Lord. Just ask that you keep on blessing me with so many great things today. Lord, safe travels more than anything. Just get back to the weigh-in okay, get back to my home and my family okay. Lord, again, thank you for watching out for me today. I love you and I thank you so much. In your name I pray. Shit, that about died when it happened. Like, you don't realize I'm dressed in sandals and busted shorts and farthest thing from Hollywood. I'm listening.
Winner! Mr. Michael Gore, $400, $11.39.
Good job, man. Rock band.
Jarrett Rushing, second place.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
1042. 220 bucks.
Well, there you go. Y'all saw it all. Was with me the entire way. Oh, what a day. Long, hot day. But we got a second place. Got a second. Finally got an anvil jaw curse off, cashing a check. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all keep chalking.